Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me. We are going to be hitting the entire house today. I've been sick, my kids have been running amok, and it's just insane in here. I didn't do my evening cleaning routine last night because I'm still trying to get over sickness and I just wasn't feeling good. I knew I was going to be filming today, so left everything a mess, and let me tell you, it is definitely a mess. So we're going to go ahead and get the entire house cleaned up today. I have tons of motivation for you, so make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. And if you are new here, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to do a giveaway once I hit that number. So without any further ado, let's get right on into the video and get some motivation going for you guys. Okay, you guys, so we're going to start out by showing you how my house looks before. So like I said in my intro, today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me. This is a real life situation here. My house is messy, and if you guys have been around here for a while, you know that I run a daycare out of my home, so my house can tend to get pretty crazy at the best of times, but especially on the weekends because I get a little bit lazy, so I sometimes leave the mess over from the week, and then by the time Sunday comes, I definitely need to be doing a cleanup. So we're gonna hit almost every single room in the house today, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I finally am feeling better after like a terrible, I had bronchitis and I had laryngitis, and I know I've mentioned this in my last few videos, but it really has taken me almost a month to get over everything. So I'm finally starting to feel back to myself, and I'm ready to get cleaning and get sharing more videos for you guys. So without further ado, let's get on into the cleaning. We are going to start with the kitchen, as I normally do, because I'm a creature of habit, and I always feel like as soon as I get the kitchen done, I just like feel so accomplished. I feel so much better, and I feel ready to tackle the rest of the house. So I always start in the kitchen for the most part. Sometimes I try to switch it up when I'm filming for you guys, but for the most part, I like to start in the kitchen. It just kind of gives me some momentum to keep going. So that's where we're starting today. We're gonna just clear off the counters, and we got some hand washing to do. We got loading the dishwasher to do. We have to unload the clean dishes and load the other dishes back into the dishwasher, and then we're also gonna be hand washing. So there is a ton of motivation for you guys today. And I would also love to say, if you are brand new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate the support, and this channel offers a ton of cleaning motivation. I also do other videos on my channel from time to time, such as like law of attraction and mommy content, that sort of stuff. So we have a lot of fun over here, and I try to post usually at least 2 times a week, sometimes 3 if I'm feeling ultra creative, but definitely 2 times a week for sure. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are new, and without further ado, let's just get on into some cleaning, and let's have some cleaning music for you guys.
You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. I'll follow you.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and start hand washing all of the dishes that aren't supposed to go in the dishwasher, and also that pan is just way too big to fit in there. So I'm going to go ahead and hand wash all those while the dishwasher starts running.
Your name, I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
So now we're going to go ahead and move on into the living room. This area actually wasn't too bad. I just had some toys in here from Holden from earlier, so just want to go ahead and pick those up, and pretty much just straightening out the rest of the living room. So I am going to be putting away all those blankets, and I'm going to vacuum the couch as well as vacuuming the carpet, and then I will be doing a little bit of dusting in here as well. But for the most part, it wasn't too bad, but I definitely did need to dust those tables. That's the one bad thing about bringing those tables up from the basement. I had these in my basement for the longest time, and I decided to bring them up when we redid our living room. And once again, just like in my bedroom, I've talked about this so many times, having black furniture and a white cat is just not a very good idea. Now they are constantly getting all full of cat hair and all full of dust, and it's so frustrating because I feel like as I'm wiping them off, I can just see dust particles and cat hair falling back on it. It's so frustrating. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any tips for keeping your dark furniture dust free, because I definitely need them.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
If you guys need any laundry motivation, today's video has a ton of it. So I'm going to be folding some laundry here in a second, as you're going to be able to see, but I'm also going to be folding laundry again later on in the video once we get down to the basement, because I have all of my clothes drying in the basement. Most of my clothes I hang to dry, so all of those down there needed to be folded. So there's going to be more laundry motivation coming up as well. And I also wanted to ask you guys, if you guys are here this far, I really appreciate you watching this long, but I wanted to ask you guys if you guys have seen any of my laundry talks videos. I used to do them quite a bit, and it's just basically me sitting down with a whole bunch of laundry and just talking to you guys and just kind of talking about whatever. And I haven't done one in a while, but I wanted to know if you guys wanted me to continue doing those or not, if they really helped you. I know I had a couple of people say that they really enjoyed watching them when they sat down and folded laundry as well, but I haven't made one in a while, and I was wondering if I should. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to make another laundry talks video. Okay, so we are moving on into the office, and this room has kind of been neglected for the last week and a half, probably about 2 weeks. My desk that you guys will see in a second, it's become a little bit of a catch-all area. And when I was moving those tables from the basement into the living room, I had to empty them, and there was a whole bunch of stuff in them. It was insane. I had so much stuff sitting in them, and there's a white basket now that's sitting on top of my desk. You guys will see it in a second, and it is full of stuff from those tables, and a lot of that stuff needs to go into the office area. And my desk, I will be the first to admit that all of my drawers are completely unorganized right now, so that is going to be a project coming up here in the future. But I definitely need to organize all of that stuff, because a lot of this stuff in this bin has to go in my drawers, and as of right now they're full because they're so unorganized and I don't have any room for that stuff. So this basket is just sitting. I basically just moved it off to the side, and it's still just sitting in my office right now, staring at me, begging to be put away. But it's gonna have to wait until I completely organize this entire area.
Been watching our thing alone. I'm the only one still in love. You are watching us fade away. So many times I have prayed on my own and sacrificed parts of myself, while you are busy feeding my lows. We shake, we break, we scream, we fight. Oh, why? It's funny we are still alive. Oh, why? What happened with the best part of you, the one that's always in bloom? Don't wanna bite my tongue and let go after all we've been through. The highs are really high, but this time lows are more lower too. What happened with the best part of you, the one that's always in bloom? The one that's always in, the one that's always in.
Okay, so we are now moving into the basement, and I'm going to start off by throwing in a load of laundry, just because I'm down here, and why not? I have a ton of it to do, as always. I don't know how my little family of 3 people can manage to constantly have laundry to do. Like, I need to do laundry every single day to keep on top of it, and we're only a family of 3. So I don't know how larger families do this. I think the biggest... to be completely honest with you, I think the biggest issue is that my boyfriend and I both get kind of lazy with our clothes, and so we'll just kind of toss them on the floor, and then I don't know what's clean and what's not, so I just wash it all. So that's a horrible habit. I think that's probably where most of it stems from, because otherwise, why would we have that much laundry? I don't know. But anyways, starting a load of laundry, and now I'm getting on into the daycare portion. So my basement is used as a daycare Monday through Friday, and as you can see, it definitely looks like it's a basement Monday through Friday. Looks like it's a daycare in my basement Monday through Friday. And they make this mess every single day. So I am pretty much cleaning up this mess every day. I try to get them to help me clean up at the end of the day, but I mean, mostly what I have is toddlers, and it's just it's hit or miss. A lot of times they're not very helpful at all, but trying to teach them. But yeah, I just went ahead and left this on Friday so that I could actually show you guys me cleaning this all up, because it definitely makes for some good motivation, especially if you have kids and you have a playroom, something like that. I know a lot of moms need some motivation to get that cleaned up, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and include that in today's video.
Make you happy, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you.
So this room is our spare bedroom, and it also serves as my nap room whenever I'm having daycare. And I just had a ton of my clothes hanging in here because I washed a bunch of my own clothes, and I hang most of my stuff to dry. So I'm going to go ahead, put all that stuff in the basket. A lot of this stuff just has to be hung. I'm going to go through and fold the stuff that needs to be folded, but a lot of it has to be hung, and I will end up doing that at the end of the video as well.
Know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. The best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me. Run for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. So 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way?
All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that I inspired you to get up off your butt and get some cleaning done. Let me know in the comments down below whether you cleaned along beside me or whether you watched my video in full, first of all, and then now you're gonna go clean. I would love to know, and I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know